Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a special feature on what might just be the best toilet dolly available on the market, the Ronlap folding hand truck. Whether you're moving homes, handling luggage, or tackling heavy office supplies, this dolly cart is designed to make your life significantly easier. Let's dive into its features and why it stands out. The Ronlap folding hand truck is a versatile, foldable dolly cart that boasts a hefty load capacity of 500 pounds. Imagine having the ability to transport your heaviest items without breaking a sweat. Constructed from solid materials, it features a customized plastic base plate and a thickened stainless steel handle, ensuring durability and stability. This means you can rely on it for various moving tasks, whether it's furniture, boxes, or even outdoor gear. One of the standout features is its flat folding design. Weighing just 8.6 pounds, this dolly can be effortlessly folded down to a compact size, making it easy to store in tight spaces. Like the trunk of your car, under a bed, or even in a closet. When you're ready to use it, simply unfold it in seconds. This design is not only practical for storage but also perfect for those who need a portable solution for on-the-go tasks. Now, let's talk about the telescoping handle. The Ronlap folding hand truck offers adjustable height options, extending from 13.98 inches to 32.87 inches. This flexibility allows users to select the most comfortable height for transporting items, ensuring a proper grip and angle for maximum stability. Plus, the dolly comes with 2 elastic ropes, which are essential for securing larger boxes or awkwardly shaped items, giving you peace of mind while you transport. The dolly is equipped with 6 high-quality rubber casters that rotate 360 degrees. These wheels are designed for smooth movement on various surfaces, whether you're navigating a busy warehouse or rolling over uneven ground. Their durability ensures that the Ronlap dolly can handle the wear and tear of frequent use without compromising on performance. The versatility of this dolly is impressive. It's not just limited to moving boxes. Think about all the scenarios where it can come in handy. From grocery shopping to transporting luggage during travel, to delivering packages for your small business, this dolly can tackle it all. It's also great for outdoor activities, making it an invaluable tool for anyone who finds themselves needing extra assistance with heavy items. In conclusion, the Ronlap folding hand truck is truly a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable and sturdy dolly. Its combination of portability, adjustability, and impressive load capacity makes it a top contender in the market. If you're tired of struggling with heavy items or want to streamline your moving process, this dolly could be the solution you've been searching for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, keep it moving with ease.